Ever felt like Tokyo's too crowded? Skip the tourist spots. Today, I'll show you my favorite secret neighborhoods where locals really chill, underrated streets, hidden temples, and secret snack spots. Ayos, let's go find Tokyo's best kept secrets. Watch until the end. Number 8 is my personal favorite. Let's go, Tomodachi! First stop, Yanaka Ginza, one of my favorite old Tokyo streets. Think cats, street snacks, and nostalgic Showa vibes. Stroll around, grab some fried street food, or chill at a coffee shop. Super affordable and delicious. Perfect for a chill afternoon walk away from Shibuya stress. Oh, and don't forget to get an Okoshibumi pop-up poster. It's a super cool souvenir, and the man who makes it is really kind. Next up, Sugamo, also called as Grandma's Harajuku, but don't underestimate it. This place is cute, quirky, and packed with unique shops for traditional snacks and lucky charms. Want the full festive vibe? Visit on the 4th, 14th, or 24th of the month. There's a lively festival on these dates. You love the lined up shops, local eats, and thrift shopping. Third hidden gem, Jindaiji. This temple feels like stepping back in time. It's tucked with a forested area with cozy soba shops all around. When I went, most shops were closed, but here's a fun find. In front of the temple, there's a pottery shop called the Kilin of Musashino Jindaiji that sells beautiful ceramic bells and pottery pieces. Tip: just visit on weekdays for a truly quiet escape. If you love cats, Gotokuji is a must. This temple is the birthplace of the lucky beckoning cat, Maneki Neko. Thousands of cat statues, super Instagrammable. The area is calm and feels very local. If you're lucky, you might be able to catch the Setagaya cat train, which has a cat interior and exterior. Cat lover and cat parents will surely enjoy the ride. Otaku Tomodachi, Nakano Broadway is paradise. Vintage anime merch, manga, rare figures, everything's here. Cheaper than Akihabara, less crowded, with lots of hidden shops. After shopping, chill in the nearby alleys for cheap and tasty eats. Koenji is Tokyo's indie neighborhood. Thrift stores, vinyl shops, and punk bars is a dream for vintage hunters. Don't miss Village Vanguard, so many quirky finds, and Monster Sweets for decadent and fun cookies. Weekends often have random festivals or street bands. Super local vibe. Super cool. A hidden gem that's underrated. Happy Road Oyama Shopping Street. A charming old-school shopping street that's very local. Try the croquettes, taiyaki, bargain clothes, and my favorite, dark chocolate melon pan. Feels like a slice of old Japan, far from the city rush. Last stop, Tokomaru. This is extra special. It's my family's hometown, a true residential area with cozy shotengai, cheap restaurants, mom and pop diners, and zero tourists, the best way to see how real Tokyo locals live. Tomodachi, how cool were those hidden spots? Tokyo isn't just bright lights and crowded streets. Sometimes, the best places are the quiet ones no one talks about. Let me know which one would you love to visit, or if you've got a secret spot of your own. Hit that like button, subscribe, and join me again on the next vlog. Thanks for watching this video, Tomodachi. Mata ne!